Welcome back to Goa News. Goa has selected TV and Daboli as model solar villages under new renewable energy initiative. The project, to be highlighted on Panchayati Raj Day at Kala Academy in the presence of Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, aims to ensure 24 by 7 solar powered households and infrastructure through central schemes.
The pilot project, they have selected Tivim and Dabolim, which is going to showcase to other panchayats. But the scheme लागू जाता सगळे 191 panchayat. So all will get benefit of the through GEDA, Goa Energy Development Agency. That will be the agency under Power Ministry, which will be promoting all these schemes from central government as well as incentives from local government. And we will make it to make it function more. For example, now as you know, we have made strides in other things as well. The AI attendance, some panchayats have done it, some have not done it. We are in the process of encouraging everybody to do it. So AI attendance has improved the punctuality, improved or decreased the bunking, I will say, which used to take place, and people exactly know the location where a particular employee is there, including the secretary. So it has improved overall functioning, and I know that in due course of time, this AI attendance will be adopted by all departments.
So now Chitalim Panchayat is having a unique way of having uniform for their staff. You think this should be recommended to other panchayats as well? So there is a clear distinction between staff and.
I will certainly take your suggestion very seriously, where they have uniforms for the staff, and it also looks good, and you get a sense of belonging to that particular panchayat. The performance of these employees has even been better.